Then connect with people positively. Learn how to talk to people. Learn how to speak with others. Learn how to improve your character and discipline yourself. Beat off. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. There are a lot of things you can do on a daily basis to help yourself and work on your connection with Allah. You can build up relationship with Allah. So how to do it? You can do it with the 5 times daily salah that Allah has bestowed upon you. Pray the 5 obligatory prayers and then pray the sunnah and nawafil also. By doing it on time on a daily basis, you can build up your relationship with Allah. Read Quran on a daily basis, even if it is a single verse. If you cannot read a lot of Quran, then start reading only a few verses a day. Start reading only a single verse a day. Then connect with people positively. Learn how to talk to people. Learn how to speak with others. Learn how to improve your character and discipline yourself. Beat off on yourself. When you start a good habit, try to keep it. Try to continue. Try to discipline your life. After that, try to improve your dress code. Watch what you eat. Eat healthy food. Eat the foods that will not make you bulky, that will not hurt your health, that will not give you a dizziness or make you lethargic. Eat healthy food and be healthy. Then whatever happens to you, accept the qadar of Allah. Say Alhamdulillah in whatever state you are. Allah has kept you in a good position, better than many other peoples in this world. So always be thankful to Allah and accept what Allah has given you. Strive yourself to become better and be grateful to Allah for whatever Allah has given you. Participate in all good causes, even if it is just a dua. Participate in the voluntary causes, like volunteering in some good works, doing some charity works, helping the community to build something. You go out and try to help someone in the community. And if someone is doing something good, try to contribute. If you cannot do anything, at least make dua for yourself and for the people and for the ummah. Never ever cannot do anything, at least make dua for yourself and the people, for the ummah. Think about it. Never ever lose your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No matter what, don't give up salah. No matter what, don't give up your du'as. No matter what, don't give up your azkars. The daily remembrance of Allah. If you do it, and you must do it, and never ever leave it. The main thing is that whenever anything happens against our will, we become angry. We cannot control our temperature. The main thing you have to do is that control your temperature. It's normal to feel angry, but not out of control. Control your anger. Don't use slang words. Don't be furious with others. Don't start breaking things and all these things. Try to control yourself. Control your anger. There are a lot of ahadith. There are plenty of ahadith which say to control your anger. When you control your anger, you will get the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, focus on being good with your family members. There will always be some misunderstandings or some arguments will happen within the family members. So try to solve the matters, solve the issues as early as possible. And try to be good with them. The last but not the least, try to be content and live a life of happiness. Be content with what Allah has given you. Do shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and live a happy life. When you do all these things, when you build up a relationship with Allah, when you remember Allah, when you read the Quran, when you have a good character, when you can control your anger, when you participate in good things, so automatically happiness will come to your life. So may Allah make it easy for us. Ameen.